I'm truly the most beautiful creature in this world. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Chab, and for today's video I'm going to be doing a tutorial on eye makeup for hooded eyelids. So I have hooded eyelids. In case you can't tell, my hood hangs over my eyelid, which makes it harder to put on eyeshadow. And when I was still starting out with makeup, I had a really hard time following tutorials because I followed a lot of Americans and they just didn't have the same eyelids that I have. So I thought I would make a tutorial on how I do my eyeshadow, and I used the Vice Ganda eyeshadow palette. This is their collab with BT21, and it's quite safe. It's very neutral. If you're starting with makeup, I would highly recommend this. This is actually my sister's palette. I wanted to use my Naked palette, but I figured this one's more accessible because you can just get it. You can get this anywhere, and I know that Urban Decay they discontinued their original Naked palette, and this one's a lot more affordable. Like, I think it's only 400 or 300 pesos. So yeah, if you wanna learn how to achieve this look, especially if you have hooded eyelids, keep on watching. The first thing I'm gonna do is take a fluffy brush and dip it into the medium brown shade, and I'm gonna start blending right above my crease on the hood itself. And it's the same principles when you're contouring your face. You're also contouring your eyelid whenever you put on eyeshadow. And it's okay to be messy because we're gonna blend this all out anyway. I'm taking a medium brown on a smaller fluffy brush, and I'm going right in my crease with that. And what this is gonna do, it's gonna add a bit more dimension to your eyelid. I'm also going up. I'm kind of blending the two colors I put down together. And then take the fluffy brush and just blend, blend, blend. You want it to be like really soft once it gets like towards your brow bone. I took more medium brown, and I'm gonna also pat it on my outer corner just to give the eye a bit more definition. See, it's coming together already. Now I'm taking a dark brown shade on a small shader brush, and I'm going to carefully pat that down on the outer corner. And I'm just blending it in with the light and medium browns. I think it just gives your eye a bit more shape. So as you can see, we've kind of contoured the hood, so the eyelid looks like it's brought forward, and we're gonna do that even more by patting a shimmery gold shade on the lid itself, like where you didn't put eyeshadow yet. So pretty. Ooh, that's so cute. And then blend the two colors together just a bit. And there you go. That's pretty much your eyeshadow. Like, you can leave it here, but I put eyeliner on this side, so I'm gonna put eyeliner on this side. Okay, I don't wear eyeliner often, and the reason why is because I feel like whenever I try to put eyeliner, it eats up the whole eyelid and you can't see the shadow that I put down. and we don't want that. So I'm going to show you a trick on how to maximize your eyeliner if you have hooded eyes. So I'm going to talk before I draw it because I can't talk while I draw my eyeliner. We're going to draw a wing, and then we're going to draw a line just until the halfway point. So as you can see with this eye, I didn't extend my eyeliner to my inner corner. It literally stopped here, and then I just put mascara and it disguised everything so it looks more defined, but you can also still see the eyeshadow. And there you go. The trick is you kind of taper this down so that it looks more natural and it doesn't look like a line just stopped right in the middle of your eye. I'm taking a small brush and I'm gonna dip into the dark brown eyeshadow, and we're just gonna define the eye a little bit more by applying that on the lower lash line. Okay, last step, mascara. You can't see, but my mouth is wide open. I don't know why that helps, but it does. Okay guys, that's it for this tutorial. I hope you liked it. I hope I was clear with my instructions, and I hope you try it at home yourself. It's easier than you think it is, especially if you practice a lot. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and comment. Thanks. Bye.